Okay, today we will try to understand R language. Okay, so in R language, so first let me zoom the. Okay, so I have zoomed so that you can see very clearly. So let us see, try to understand what is zoom language. Sorry, R language. What is R? So R is a popular programming language. Mostly it is used for statistical computing. I hope that you might have studied in your 10th class and 9th class statistics. Okay, so for statistical computing, so and for graphical representation. R programming mostly used for statistical computing and graphical representation to analyze and visualize the data. Okay, this is the main purpose, to analyze and visualize data. Why R will be used for statistical computing and graphical representation? Why R will be used? Let us try to understand. It is a great resource for data analysis. For data analysis, this R is more suitable language. It is a great resource, means it has so many libraries and functions. By using of the libraries, we can analyze the data, visualize the data very well, and it will be used for data science and machine learning. And in the previous classes, I have briefed that machine learning is part of your artificial intelligence, AI. Machine learning, deep learning, data science, they are the branches of artificial intelligence. So it provides many statistical techniques, such as what? Which type of techniques it supports, which are related with your statistics, such as statistical tests, classification, clustering, and data reduction. Okay, we will see all these in whenever we go for classes. Your classes will be one by one. We will try to understand all these. Okay, next, we can easily draw graphs in R language. So graphs are what? Pie charts, your histograms, box plot, scatter plot. So pie charts, bar charts. I hope that you might have seen in the statistics how to prepare the charts, pie charts, bar charts. Okay. So these are called, if you make any charts, pie charts, bar charts, so they are called graphical, they are representation, graphic representation. So R works on different platforms: Windows, Mac operating system, Linux operating system. So it will function in all platforms. These are what? Windows, Mac, Linux, these are the operating systems. So R will be able to run over all these operating systems. It is open source and free. Open source, what will be the use of open source? So no need to pay the money for to download this R language. Okay, so that you can write your code. So open source, it is open source means anybody, your source code that will be that can be used by anybody. Open your source code. Okay, and free. It has a large community support. So it is open source, so that so many programmers, they are like a community, they can support each other. Okay, if you have any doubts and you are not able to solve, if you are not able to understand any that moment, you can share with your problems with the community and they will solve your problem. It has many packages. Packages nothing but, in the Java we have studied about packages. Packages nothing but it is a library or functions, libraries of functions. Okay, so many functions already, pre-designed functions are there, and all that functions they have kept in as a libraries. Okay, libraries means so many functions. So I told you that package, directory, folder, Okay, package is what? Package and in Python module and package, they are the directories. Within that, if a file is there, okay, so many files are there. So functions, they are the predefined code by the programmer, so we can use that functions to solve different problems. In the previous class I told you that function is nothing but a block of code will be written. A block of code means 10 lines, 20 lines, 100 lines code. It will be called a block of code that will be stored with a name. Whenever we call that name a function and the total code will be executed, okay, you need not to write the code again and again. Okay, so what is the use of functions? Reusability of the code. So let us try to understand. Next is what? Here you refer this w3schools.com. It is very easy to understand that Java T-point, it is somewhat difficult for you. Whomever wants to be understand the programming languages, if they want to study, okay, like Java, C, C++, HTML, CSS, you can use both the Java T-point and your this is your W3 schools. Otherwise go for Geeks for Geeks. That is depend upon your understanding levels, how you can understand. So myself, I will suggest you to go through this W3 schools, because it will a very easy language, and they will not go for complicated topics. They will cover the topics very easily, okay, so that you can understand very. Let us get started. Next, get started. R language, so R language, how to install R? First of all, we need to install R, so we need to go for this link, https cloudrproject.org, and download the latest version of R for Windows. My laptop is on Windows, so that from here we can download the latest version of R language for Windows or Linux. So when we have downloaded and installed R, you can run on your computer. So let us try to download this one. Okay, so download R for Linux, Macintosh. This is for Windows. Click on this one. Now install R for the first time. Okay, install R for the first time. First time I am installing. Download this version for Windows. It is for 64-bit operating system. Okay, 64-bit operating system. So it is being downloaded. So whenever the file will be downloaded, so that moment, so let it be downloaded and come to here, language. So whenever it is downloaded, the screenshot looks like this. Below shows how it may look like when you run R on a Windows PC. So whenever we have downloaded and installed R language, so we can run on our computer. Screenshot, it looks like this. So whenever we click on R IDE, okay, so it looks like this. Okay, we will see. Let it be downloaded. So come here, whether it is being downloaded. For videos, join our, where is that, whether it is downloaded or not. So it is downloaded, and click on this open file. You click on this open file, so that your file will be opened.